Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yeah, this is 2024 Federal Government National Common Entrance, Mathematics. Question 1 says that find the product of the Roman numeral, which is CCX and XIX. So from our answer is in what is the objective here. So let us go. Solution. We say our C represents what? 100. And our X represents 10. So definitely CCX is what? That's 210, because CC it makes what? 200 plus 10 give us that's what? 210. Then for this, our X represents 10. Take note of that. Then we have IX. Our IX is that's 9, which is 10 minus 1. We give us that's what? 9. That is this X minus 1. Whenever it's something like this, it means what? 9. It means what? 10 minus 1, which is what? 9. Take note of that. So in this place now, so this is what? When you add it, we have what? 19. So from the question there, it says that find the product. When we say product, the product means what? That's multiplication. So let's multiply. That's 210 multiplied by 19. Take note of that. Take note of that. 9 times 0 will give us 0. 9 times 1 is what? 9. Then 9 times 2 is what? That's 18. Then this 1, we multiply this. 1 times 0 give us 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times 2 is 2. Now let us add the numbers. So 0 plus nothing is what? 0. 9 plus 0 is what? 9. Take note of that. Then 8 plus 1 will give us 9. Then 2 plus 1 give us 3. Definitely our answer is 3,990. So from our objective here, our answer here is what? Is option D, because this is 3,000. This is 3,000. Don't forget our MN. Don't forget our M is what? Is 1,000. So this 3M makes what? That's 3,000. Then this is CM. That is 1,000 minus. This CM represents that as what? CM represents that as what? 9. That's 900. 900. Don't forget our M is 1,000. Our M is 1,000. Definitely M is what? That's 3,000. Take note of that. So 3,900. Then our XC is what? That's take note of that. Our XC is that's 90, which is 100 minus 10. We give us that what? 90. If you now look at it, 3,000 plus 900 plus 900 plus 900 plus 90. We give us that 3,990. So definitely the option here is what? Is option D. Thank you. Yeah, question 2 says that what is the highest prime number of 270? From the option, we have option A is 13, option B is 11, option C is 7, D is 5, and option E is what? Is 3. So let us go. Let us find the option. Let us find the highest prime number. Don't forget, the prime numbers are numbers that can only divide itself and what? And 1. Okay, so itself and what? And 1. So either, let's assume that this is 2 now. 2 is the first prime number. Followed by what? 3, 5, 7, 1. So 2 can only divide 2, which is what? 1. Okay? Or 2 divided by 1, give us that as what? 2. Likewise, so all these are what? So all these are prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They are what? And so on. They are examples of prime number. So in this way, we are looking for the prime number, the highest prime number from this what? From this number. So this is 270. Take note of that. Now, in this place, let's start with 2, the first prime number to divide. So, 2 divided by 2 give us 1. That's 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 in 7 give us that's 3. Remainder 1. Then, this one become 10. 2 in 10 give us that's what? 5. Take note of that. So, let's go. If you look at this 5 is what? Is a prime number as well as odd number. And 2 is even number as well as prime number. So, 2 cannot divide 5. Cannot divide this number and give us the exact number. So let us go to the 3 now. So 3, let's go to 3. 3 in 13 give us that as what? 4. Because 3 times 12 is 3 times 4 is 12. Take note of that. The remainder 1. Take note of that. Then 3, this one becomes 15. 3 in 15 give us that as what? 5. Then the next one is what? That's 3 again. 3 can still divide 45. 3 in 45 give us that as what? 3 in 4 give us that as 1, remainder 1 as well. Then this 3 in 15, this one becomes 15. This 3 in 15 give us that as what? 5. So 3 can still divide 5. 3 in 15 will give us that as 5. Take note of that. Then 5 in 5 give us that as what? 1. So in this place now, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5. That's we have 2. We have 2. Look at it. 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. So in this place now, the highest prime number here is what? Is 5. So our option here is what? Is option D, which is what? 5. So that is our answer. Thank you very much. Now, this question 3. Question 3 says that write these numbers in words. So if you look at this number is 3 million. Look at it, 3 million. Look at it, 150,000 and what? And 9. This is it. 3 million. Look at it. Then this is 150,000. 150,000. 100. 150,000. Take note of that. 150,000 and 9. And 9. So that's our answer. So this is 3,150,000 and 9. Thank you very much. Yeah, number 4. Question 4 says that arrange the following fraction in ascending order of magnitude. Don't forget that ascending means that from the beginning. So in this place we have 1 over 2. The question says that 1 over 2. 1 over 2, 5 over 6, 3 over 8, and look at that, 7 over 12. That's what the question says. So in this case, first of all, we find the what? LCM. Okay, so we find the LCM of the following denominator, which is what? 2, 6, 8, 12. So let's find the LCM of 2, 6, 8, and 12. If you look at that, 2 in 2, we give us that as what? 1. Take note of that. 2 in 6, we give us 3. Take note of that. So I'm looking for the LCM. LCM of this denominator, 2, 6, 8, and 12. Then 2 in 8 is what? 4. And 2 in 12 is 6. Take note of that. Then the next one, 2 can still divide 4 and 6. 2 in 1 is 1. 2 in 3 is 3. Because it gives us remainder. So 2 in 4 is 2. And 2 in 6 is 3. But 2 can still divide 2 perfectly. Eh? 2 again, 2 in 1 is 1. Just write to 1. 2 in 3 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is what? Is 1. And 2 divided by 3 is 3. The next one is 3. Take note of that. 3 in 3 is what? That's at 1. 3 in 1, sorry, is 1. And 3 in 3 is what? 1. 1. And 3 divided by 3 is what? 1. So in this place now, we have a final LCM. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, sorry, times 3. That's got it. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. And 8 times 3 gives us that's 24. So in this place we have 24. 24. So in this place 2 in 2 will give us 2 in 2 in 24 will give us that's 12. 2 in 24 give us 12. Take note of that. 12 times 1 is what? Is 12. Take note of that. Then 6 in 24 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Then 8 in 24 is 3. 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. Because 8 times 3 is what? Is 24. Then 12 in 24 is 2. 2 times 7 will give us 14. Now the highest number, the lowest number here is what? Is 9. Take note of that. Which is what? 3 over 8. We have 9, followed by what? 12, followed by 14, and followed by 20. So to arrange the number from the ascending number, so since 9 is the lowest what? Is the lowest since 9 is the what? Is the lowest number here, okay? So and it falls under this, so definitely 9 here is what? 3 over 8. Take note of that. Followed by 12, which is what? Our 12 is what? Has what? 1 over 2. Followed by the next one, 14. Take note of that. 14, which is what? 7 over 12. Then the last one is what? Which is 20, which falls under, that's 5 over 6. So definitely this is the answer. We start from that. 3 over 8, 1 over 2, 7 over 12, and 5 over 6. So from the option, our option says option C. Our option is what? Is option C, which is what? Our answer is what? Is in the option C here. So that's it. 3 over 8, 1 over 2, 7 over 12, and 5 over 6. So that's it. Thank you very much. Yeah, question 5 says, express 0.68 as a fraction in its lowest term. That's in its lowest term. On the question in its lowest term. Okay, we have cell A. Question option A says 17 over 25. Option B says 9 over 16. Option C says 5 over 12. D says 2 over 5, and E says 3 over 8. So this is 0.68. When we convert it to fraction, this means what? 68. It means 68. Since it is 0.6, it means 68 over what? 100. Now let's divide it. 2 can divide both number perfectly without remainder. So 2 in 68 gives us, that's what? 34. Then the next one, 2 in 100 is 50. Are you following me? So 2 in 34 gives us 17. And 2 in 50 gives us, that's what? 25. So 2 cannot divide both sides perfectly. So in this place, this is the final answer. So this is the lowest term. So in this place, our answer here is option A, which is what? 17 over 25. Okay? As simple as that. Thank you very much. Yeah, question 6. Question 6 is that if a man spends 50% of his salary on food items and the salary is 8,000 naira, how much is left? Take a look at it. And from our option, we have A is 30,000, B is 40,000 naira, then C is 50,000 naira, D is 60,000 naira, and E is 70,000 naira. So in this place now, how do we do? Let us go. We have what? 50. This is 50% now. 50 over 50% is this, the 50%. The 50% means what? That's 50 over 100. The out of the salary, that's times 80,000. That's times 80,000 naira. That's 80,000 naira. So in this place, 0 cancel these 2 0. Let's divide it. Let's cancel these 2 0. So we have 50 times 800 naira left. Now if you look at it now, 5 times 8 is 40. Then 0 times 0, that's times 8, that's what is 0. Times 0 times 0 is what is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. So we have 40,000 naira. Take note of that. So the question now says that how much did the man has left? How much is left from his hand, or from the salary of 80,000? So let's go. Now say 80,000, subtract 40,000 from 80,000. 80,000 naira minus 40,000 naira. Take note of that. We give us, this is 80,000 naira minus 40,000 naira. Give us that as 40,000 naira. So the amount that is left is what is 40,000 naira. So our option here is what is option B. That's our answer. Thank you very much. Now, question 7 says that find the place value of 2 in the following numbers: 723 plus 123 plus 456. Now, let's write the first number, 723. The second number, 123. Fourth number, 456. Let's add it together. Take note of that. Now, 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 6 is what? 12. You take 1 up here. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. Take note of that. Then 5 plus 5. Plus this 5 is 10. You put your 0. You take 1 your hand up. Then 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 1 is what? 9. Then plus 4 is what? 13. So we have 1,302. So the last number, which is we are looking for the place value of the number in the answer below. So the last number is 2, which is unit. So our answer there is what? Is option E, which is 2 units. That's the answer here. Thank you very much. Question 8. Question 8 is that multiply 0.5 by 50. From our answer, we have A is 15, B is 25, and C is 35, D is 45, and E is 55. So when we say multiply, it means multiplication as times. So in this place, let's what? Is 0.7 times 50. Shall we? 0 times 7 is what? Is 0. Take note of that. 0 times 0 is 0. 5 times 7 is 35. Is 535. Write your 5 down. Take your 3 up. Then 5 times 0 is 0. Plus 3 is what? Plus 3 is what? That's is 3. So let's put it points here. Take note of that. Write your 5. I write your 3. So let me write the answer here. We have 35.0. So our answer is what? At 5.0, which is equivalent as what? As 35. So our answer is 35. Thank you very much. Now, question 9 says that calculate the sum of 10 and the square root of, that's 625. So let's go. When we say sum, our sum means what? Addition. That's plus. So we have 10 plus, that is, this is our square root sign, that's square root sign. That's square root of 625. Take note of that. So this is 10. 625, yes. Then this is 10 plus, the square root of 625 is 25. So let's go. 10 plus 25 will give us 35. So our answer is 35, which is option D. Thank you very much. Yeah, question 10. Question 10 says that simplify bracket 1 over 2 times 1 over 3 divided bracket divided 2 over 3. Now let's go. From the bracket, we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 3 divided by 2 divided by 3, sorry. So in this place, let's multiply this way. 1 times 2 give us 2 plus 1 give us 3 over 2. Take note of that. Times 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3 divided by 2 over 3. In this place now, let's multiply the 3 times 4 is what? Is 12. Then 2 times 3 is 6, which is what? 12 divided by what? 6. Okay? Divided by 2 divided by 3. You look at the 12 divided by 6, you give us that as what? 2, which is what? 2 divided by 2 over 3. You can see, so in this place now, we are going to find our reciprocal. Take note of that. This 2 means what? That's still the same. Ordinary 2 still means what? That's 2 over 1. Now, in this place, let me bring it up here. That's this 2 over 1 divided by 2 over 3. But 2 divided by 1 is still the same thing as 2. So we are going to find our reciprocal. So in this place, we have 2 over 1. This divide will change to times. That's the reciprocal. It's going to change. This change will change. So this 3 will go up and this 2 will come down. That's 3 over 2. Take note of that. So in this place now, our question is 2 times 3 will not multiply. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Take note of that. Then 1 times 2 will give us 2. So in this place, now divide. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. So our answer there from the option is option C. 3 is our answer. Thank you very much. Now, this question 11. Question 11 says that an article was bought for 14,500 naira and sold at a loss of 20%. Now, say find the selling price. So in this place, we have option A say 11,600 naira. Option B say 12,500 naira. Then option C say 13,050 naira. Then D says 14,500 naira. Then E says that 17,450 naira. So let's go. Now don't forget our answer. Let's go. Our answer. Don't forget that when you say loss, just look that when you say loss is equal to that cost price. Let me represent our C. Our C is cost and our P is what as price. It means for cost price we minus what? S is represented as selling price. S is represented as selling and P is what is price. So cost price minus selling price. So it means what? It is loss. But if it is profit, it is selling price minus cost price. So take note of that. So in this case, this is a case of lost price. So in this place, now say that the article was bought for 14,500 and sold at a loss of 20%. And they said we should find the selling price, the amount the person sell it. The amount is selling the person sells the article. So in this place, this is 20%, right? 20%, that's 20 over 100 times 14,500 naira. So let's divide 20, 0, 2, 0, this 0 cancels 0. So we have 20 times 145. That's 20 times 145. So let's multiply 145 times 20. Let's go. Take note of that. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times 5, 10. Carry 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 9. 2 times 1, 2. So in this place, we have, 0, 0. 9 is 0 plus 9 is what? 9. Take note of that, 2. So this is 2009. That's, we have, let me write it here, 2,900 naira. So in this place, we are now what? We are to look for the loss now. So in this place, let me just take note of this place. So we have 2,900. So we are going to subtract this 2,900 now from this 14,005 in order to get. Don't forget, I said that cost price minus selling price. Okay, is the loss. So in this place, we're going to say 14,500 minus 2,000. 14,500 minus 2,900 now. So how do we let's subtract because of the space here. Let's make use of okay. That was 14,500 minus 2,900. Please take note of that. Okay, so you can get our answer. So in this place, 0 minus 0, that's what? 0. This one is 0. 5 minus 9. 5 cannot minus 9. So we take a 1 from this one, become 10 plus 1. 5 will give us 15. That this one become 15. 15 minus 9 will give us 6. Take note of that. So this will remain 3. Take note of that. So 3 minus 2 is what? Is 1. This one remain 1. So our answer is what? That's 11,600. That is 11,600 now. So the person sell at loss at what? 11,600. So in this place, our answer here is what? Is option A, which is what? 11,600. Thank you. Yeah, this question 12. Question 12 says that calculate the simple interest on 240,000 naira for 3 years at 5%. So in this place, don't forget our rule for simple interest. This means interest. The formula for simple interest was interest equal to that principal. This represents rate times time over 100. That's all. So to get our answer, so our principal there is 240,000 naira, right? 240,000. What's our rate there? Our rate is 5%. Times 5. Okay? Then that's 5%, that's 5%, that's 500. Then okay. Then times 3. Times 3. Okay? Just put it this way. Okay? So in this place now, we have, that's our years there is what? Don't forget, which represents the time is what? Is 3 years. Okay? So the rate is what? Is 5%, and the principal is 240,000. The rate as well is 5%, and the time of the duration is 3 years. So in this place now, let's divide. This one cancel this. So we have 240,000, 2,000 for 2,400 times 5 times 3. 5 times 3 give us that's 15. Let me break it in. 2,400. That's 5 times 3 give us that's 15. 15. Okay, so in this place, let's multiply. 2,400 times 15. 5 times 0 give us 0. Times 0 give us 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Which are 2. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 2 is what? That's 12. Now let's multiply. 1 times 0 is what? Is 0. Times 0 is what? Is 0. 1 times 4. Then 1 times 2. Then let's add now. We have 00063. So our interest there is what? 36,000 naira. That's, let me write it here. That's 36,000 naira. So that's our interest there. So in this place, our answer here is what? Is option B, which is what? 36,000 naira. Very, very simple. Thank you very much. Yeah, question 13. Question 13 says that express 180 in index form. So this is 180. Let's go. 180 divide 2 in 180 give us 90. We'll divide it. Then, sorry. Okay. 2 in, can still divide 90 as well. 2 in 90 is what? That's 45. Take note of that. Look at it, the last number is 5, so 2 cannot divide it. But 3 can still divide it. So 3 in 45 will give us 15. Then 3 can divide it. 3 in 15 is what? Is 5. Is 5. Then the next number, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we now have what? Look at it from here. 2 times 2 times 3. Times 3, take note of that, times 5. So in this place, how many 2? We have to express it in index form. How many 2 is here? That's 2 square. Times, how many 3 is here? That's 3 square. That's 2, 3, which is 3 square. Or 2 square represents 2 times 2. 3 square represents 3 times 3. Then the last one is only one number, which is what? That's 5. So in this answer, our answer here is what? Is option E. That's 2 square times 3 square times 5. So that's our final answer. That's it. Yeah, question 14. Question 14 says that R is 8.2 and 1.8. So this is 8.2, 1.8. That's addition, that's plus. 2 plus 8 give us 10. Take your write your 0, take your 1 up. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1 is what? 10. So we have that's 10.0, which is same to that. 10.0 is still equivalent as 10. So our answer is option C, which is 10. Thank you. Yeah, question 15 says that a salesboy received 1,200 naira. That's 200 naira as a commission as a commission on 24,000 naira. Let's find the percentage of the commission. That A is 2%, B is 3%, C is 4%, D is 5%, and E is 6%. So in this place, we're going to write 1,200 divided by 24,000 naira times 100. So in this place, 0 cancel 0. So 12 here 1, 12 in 24, that's 2. So we have what? 1 over 20. We have 20 here, that's 20. Take note of that. But this one remains 2 and this 0, so we have 20. Times what? Times 100. So in this place, 1 times 100 gives us 100 divided by 20. Take note of that. So 0 cancel 0. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our answer is what? Is 5 what? Is 5%. So in this place, our answer is what? Is option D. That's 5%. So thank you. Yeah, number 16. Number 16 says that FA took 28 minutes to trek to school. If she reached at 12 a.m. When 12 a.m. at what time did she leave? So it leaves home at it took 28 minutes before he gets to school, and he reached the school at 8:12 a.m. That's 8:12 a.m. So that's 12 minutes after 8. So now we are going to now say it took FA 28 minutes. So in this place we are going to subtract. That's 8 minutes. This 8 means what? 8 hours, and this is 12 minutes. That's 12 minutes. Go to minus what? That's what? 28. Subtract 28 to it. Now look at it now. 2 cannot minus 8. Then 1 cannot minus. If you borrow 1 from this one remains 0. You still borrow 1 from here. So in this place, when you borrow 1 from this number, any number here, this one becomes 60. Take note of that. Because 60 minutes make what? 1 hour make what? That's 60 minutes make 1 hour. Take note of that. That's 60 minutes makes what? 1 hour. So in this place now, this one remains what? That's 7. Then 60 plus 12 give us that's what? You give us that's 72. That's 60 plus 12 give us 72, because we are borrowing this hour from here in order to be able us to what? To minus 28 minutes. But 12 minutes cannot subtract, 12 cannot minus 28. So this is now 72. So we now have what? That's minus 28. Just put your 0 here, minus. So now let us now minus now. So 12 minus 8, no. We borrow 1 from this one become 12. Borrow 10 from this one become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then this one remains 6. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. Then we now have 7. Now this is our answer. So our answer is what? That's if he left home at exactly what? 7:45 or 7:45 a.m. So in this place, our answer here is what? Is option. Our answer here is option B, which is 7:44 a.m. So if he left home at what? At 7:44 a.m. Yeah, question 17. Question 17 says that the volume of a cube is 64 centimeter cube. Now say find the length of its side. So what the length of its side is? Remember the volume is 64 centimeter, which is what? So what makes it? That's 64 is that's 4 centimeter times 4 centimeter times 4 centimeter. Okay. So in this place now, 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 give us what? 64 centimeter cube. Okay, so in this place, the answer here is what? The length of, let's say find the length. What was the length of its what? Of its side. So the length of its side, what is that's 4, because it is 4 times 4 times 4 that give us 64 centimeters. So the length of its side give us is what? Is 4. Thank you very much. Yeah. Question 18. Question 18 says that what is the radius of a circle which circumference is 66 centimeter? Let's say take pi equal to 2/7. Our A is for 10.5 centimeter, B is 12.5 centimeter, C is 14.0 centimeter, D is 14.5 centimeter, and E is 21.0 centimeter. So in this place, our circumference is what? That's 2 pi r, since radius has been given. So what's our radius? Our radius is 66 centimeter, then equal to our 2, then times pi, which is what? 22/7. Then the radius, which is what we are looking for. Okay, now in this place, 66 equals multiply. Okay, 7 times 66, that's 6 times 7 equal to 2 times 22 will give us 44. Don't forget, times r will give us r, 44 r. Okay, so 66 times 7 will give us, that's 7 times 6, that's 42. Then take your what? 4 up. 7 times 2, 6. Again, 42 plus 4 will give us 46, which is what? 462. Take note of that. Equal to 44 r. Now let's bring it up here because of space. Now we have 44 r. Don't forget, 44 r equal to what? 46. It's still the same thing as what? 44 r equal to 462. Okay, see the same thing. So we have 44 r equal to 462. Divide both sides by 44. 44 comes to 44. This one divided by 44 as well. So this one divided by 46 divided by 44 will give us that as 10. Then remainder 22 over 44. Take note of that. This is 22. So in this place here, we have what? 22 here 1, 22 here 1, in 44 is what? Is 2. Well, 22 plus 22 will give us 44. So our answer is what? That's 10 whole number 1/2, or 10.5, because 1/2 is 0.5. Let me just prove it for you. 1/2. Look at it here. It means 2 divided by 1. That's 1 divided by 2. Okay, 2 in 1 is what? Is 0 points. Because 1 cannot divide 2. So I have to put 0 here. 2 in 10 will give us, that's 5. Then 5 by times 2 will give us 10. So I might subtract. So nothing. So that's how we get to 0.5. Then you know that we had it now. 10 plus 0.5 give us that. 10 plus 2 is 10 plus 5, that's 10 plus 0.5 give us that's 10.5. So definitely our answer is option A, which is what? 10.5 centimeter. Yeah, question 19. Question 19 says that if the scale of a map is 1 centimeter to 20 kilometer, you say what does 2.5 centimeter represents? That is 1 centimeter to 20 kilometer. So in this place, it has been stated like that. If the scale of a map is 1 centimeter to 20, what does 2.5 centimeter represent? That is, we have 20 divided by 1. Okay. Then we multiply by 2.5. Because the question given there. 20 divided by 1 will give us 20 times 2.5. Take note of that. So in this place, we say that 20 times 2.5 and multiply. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is what? is 4. Then you add it together. Take note of that. Okay? Add it 0, 0, 5. So you put your point here. So in this place, our answer is 50 kilometer. So answer is that as what 50. 50.0 is same as 50, which is simple. This is what 50 kilometers. So it represents 50 kilometer, which is D. That's our answer. So our option there is what is in option D, which is 50 kilometer. Thank you. Yeah, question 20. Question 20 says that this is a trapezium, says that from the length here we have what 4.2 centimeter and we have 7.8 centimeter here. This trapezium is a combination of rectangle and triangle. Okay, so and we have the height here, which is what 3 centimeter. And the formula for our trapezium is A. Look at let me just give you. Let's say this one is what? Represent this one. Let me represent this as A, and this B, and this height as H, which is height, which is H. So we say A plus B divided by 2 times what? Height times height. So in this place, our A is what? That's 4.2. Then our B is represented as what? That's 7.8. Is what? 7.8. Take note of that. Okay. Divided by 2 times the height, which is what? 3. So if you look at it, 7.8 plus 4.2 will give us that's 12. Look at it. 7.8 plus 4.2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1 here. Okay. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. So we have 12, which is 12 divided by what? 2 times 3. Take note of that. So 12 divided by 2 will give us 6 times this 3. So 6 times 3 will give us that as what? 18. So in this place now, our answer is what? Is 18 centimeter square. Our answer is 18 centimeter square. Okay, so that's our option is option D, 18 centimeter square. Option D is our answer there. Thank you. Yeah, this question 21. Question 21 says that find the total weight of 3 articles is 138.52 kilogram. He said the total weight of 3 articles is 138.52 kilogram. If the weight of 2 are 52.20 kilogram and 43.45 kilogram, now say find the weight of the third article. So in this place, we are looking for the third article, and the third article is what is unknown, and of which it is what we are looking for. So let the third article be what? Be X. Take note of that. So we have the 2 articles here. So we are looking for the third article, and the total of everything is 138.52 kilogram. So in this place, the unknown article is what? Is X, which is what we are looking for, plus this first one, this article, which is what? The weight of this article is what? That's 52.20 kilogram. Okay, so then plus 43.45 kilogram, then equal to 138.52 kilogram. Take note of that. So we are going to add this 2. Now say that, let's add it here, 55.20 kilogram plus 43.5 plus 43.45. Okay, is what? Look at it. 0 plus 5 is what? That's 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 5 plus 3 is what? 8. And 5 plus 4 is what? 9. So we have 98.65 kilogram here. That's, take note of that. So in this place, we are now going to say x plus what? 98.65 kilogram equal to what? 138.52 kilogram. Please take note of that. So in this context, in this calculation, we are now going to subtract this 98 from 130. We're going to what? That's it. Collect our light and cross it. So in this place, we now have x here. When this 98.65 kilogram comes here, become what? 138.52 kilogram minus 98.65 kilogram. So let's check our answer. Let's subtract it. So in this place, we have 138. We take note of that. 138.52. Let's minus 98.65 minus 98.65. So when you take 1 from this one, becomes 12. Take note of that. 12 minus 5, it gives us 7. So this one remains 4. So there's no way 4 can minus 6. When you borrow this number, 1 from it, this one becomes 10. And it becomes 14, which is what? 14 minus 6 is what? That was what? 8. Why this remains 7? There's no way 7 can, this one remains 7. There's no way 7 can minus 8. So we bring 1 from this one, it becomes what? 17. Take note of that. So 17 minus 8, put your point here. 17 minus 8 give us that as what? 9. Okay? Now, this one remains 12. 12 minus 9 will now give us, that's 3. So our answer here is what? 39. Our x is what? Our unknown what? Our unknown is what? Which is the third one we are looking for. The third, what the weight of the third article we are looking for is what? Is 39.87 kilogram. So that's our answer. So our answer is what? Is option D, which is 39.87 kilogram. Take note of that. Thank you. Yeah, question 22 says that add 0.2 gram, 0.8 gram, 4.0 gram, and 2.4 gram. So let me start with 4.0 gram. That is 4.0 gram followed by 2.4 gram followed by 0.2 gram, then followed by 0.8 gram. So we have to add everything here. So take note of that. 8 plus 2 plus 4, or 4 plus 2 plus 8. Now 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 8 is what? 14. Take your 1 here. So 1 plus 4 gives us 5. Take note of that. Plus 2 gives us that 7. So our answer is what? 7.4 gram. So the option is option E. 7.4 gram. Yeah, question 23. Question 23 says that how many weeks are there in 5 months? How many weeks are there in 5 months? So do not forget that from our answer. So 4 weeks. 4 weeks makes what? It makes 1 what? Months. So therefore, we say that in 5 months, now multiply 4 times what? 4 weeks times 5 what? 5. What times 5? That's 4 weeks times 5. So we want to look at the number of weeks that are there. So 4 weeks times 5, that's 4 weeks times 5 give us that's what? 20. That's 4 weeks times 5 give us that's what? 20 what? 20 weeks. So in 5 months, we have what? 20 what? 20 weeks. So our answer is what? 20, which is option B. Thank you. Yeah, question 24 says that which of the following shapes is plane? So A circle, B cube, C cylinder, D pyramid, and E sphere. So do not forget that your plane shape are shape with two-dimensional shape, which is what? Which is the other, that's the breadth and the wideness, that's width and breadth. So in this place, cube is not a plane shape, cylinder is not a plane shape, pyramid, sphere are not plane shape. So the only plane shape here is a circle, which is option A. Thank you. Yeah, question 25 says that what is the name of the shape below? A, kite. Option B say prism, C, pyramid, D, rectangle, and A is triangle. So the answer here, this shape is what is prism. So that's the answer. Yeah, question 26 says that a car is moving at an average speed of 60 km per hour. Now says that calculate the distance covered in 3 hours. Option A says 20 km, B says 60 km, C says 120 km, D says 180 km, and E says 240 km. So, okay, let's go. So to find our distance is equal to the speed times time. Okay. So what's our speed here? Our speed is 60. Then our time is 3. So we're going to multiply by 3. So in this place, 60 kilometer, that's 60 kilometer times 3, that's 60 kilometer times 3. We write it 60 kilometer times 3 will give us what? That's 180 kilometer. So our answer is 180 kilometer, which is option D. Thank you. Yes, so question 27 says that determine the radius of a circle whose diameter is 21 centimeter. Okay, now let's find the radius. Don't forget that our radius is what? To find our radius, which is r, represent as r is what? Is what? D is what? That's D over what? 2. That's half of diameter is what? Is radius. So in this place, since our diameter here is what? 21, we're going to divide it by what? 2. Okay, 21 divided by 2 will give us that's 10 point what? 10.5, because 10.5 is still the same as 10 and a half. So 10.5 plus 10.5 will give us that's what? 31. So our answer is what? 10.5 what? Centimeter. So our answer is option A, 10.5 centimeter. Thank you. Yes, question 28 says that what is the total cost of 100,000 shares at 50 kobo each and 70,000 shares at 70 kobo each? So in this place, we have 49,000 naira, 50,000 naira, C is 99,000 naira, D is 144,000 naira, and E is 243,000 naira. So in this place, look at it. At this 100,000 shares at 50 kobo, and our answer is given in naira. Take note of that. So first off, multiply this 100,000 times 50 kobo. So 100,000 times 50 kobo will give us look at it. Let me show you here. 100,000 times 50. So that's look at it very well. So this is 0 multiplied by this 0, multiplied by this 0, and this 0 multiplied by 1. Okay? We have this one, 5 times 0 give us 0, times this 0, times this 0, times this 0, times this 0. And 5 times 1 give us 5. So if you look at it, let's add it together, please. Take note of that. So we have 0 here, 0, 0. Don't mind my space, okay? We have another 0 here, another 0 here, another 0, and 5. So definitely we are having that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 million. Yeah, okay. That's 5 million total. So we have that's 5 million kobo. So do not forget that we are finding the total and we have to divide it by 100 because our answer is in naira. So by the time we divide it by 100, okay, because 100 kobo give us 1 naira. So this cancel this cancel this. So it remains what here? It remains 50,000 naira. Okay, so it is now in naira then. So we have 50,000 naira. Okay. Now let's check for 70 kobo times 70,000. So in this place, 70,000 times look at it, 70,000 times 70. Though it's 49, 4.9 million, but let us find it. 0, 0, 0 times 0 is what? 0 times 0. So this one, 7 times 0 gives us 0, 0, 0. 7 times 0 is what? 0. 7 times 7, that is what? 49. So if you look at it, we have 0 here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 4. So in this page, we have 49, that's 4 million, that's 900,000. So in this place, we have 4 million, that's 4,900,000. That's 4,900,000. So we have to convert it to naira. So we have to divide by 100. So 0 cancel this 0. So we now have what? We have 49,000. So we want to now the question says that take note of that. The question says that we are looking to look for the total cost of the shares together, both the one of 100,000 and the one of 70,000. So in this place now we're gotten our 50,000 naira here, which is, let's add it together. 50,000 naira plus 49,000 plus 49,000 naira. Okay. So in this place, when we add it together, because we're looking for the total. So in this place, we now have 0, 0, 0, 9, 9. So our answer is what? 99,000 naira. So our option here is what? Is option C, which is what? 99,000 naira. So that's the answer. Thank you. Yes, 29 says that, question 29 says, find the total weight of a goat and a sheep is 21 kilogram, 720 gram. Now say if the weight of the sheep is 11 gram, 155 gram, find the weight of the goat. So the weight of the goat is what we are finding now, which is the unknown. Okay, the total weight of the goats. Total weight of the goats. Weights of the goat is 21 kilogram, 720 gram. Okay, now the sheep is 11 kilogram, 155 gram. Why the goat is unknown, which is what we are looking for. Which is what? Okay. So for us to get the weight of the goat, we have to subtract the weight of the sheep from the total weight of the what? Or the total weight of the goat and the sheep. We have to subtract the weight of the good from the total weight. So in this place, the total weight is 21 kilogram, 720 gram minus 11 kilogram, 155 gram. So let us do it here. Let's subtract it here. Okay, 21 kg kilogram 720 minus 11 kilogram 155 gram. So let's minus it. Now if you look at this place, we brought one from here, this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 gives us 5. This one remains 1. When brought one from this 7, this remains what? Becomes 11. This remains 6. 11 minus 5 will give us 6. Then this 6 will now minus 1 give us 5. Okay. Then in this place, 1 minus 1 gives us 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have our answer here is 10 kilogram, 565 grams. So the option here is option D, which is what? 10 kilogram, 565 grams. Thank you very much. That's the final answer. Thank you very much. Yeah, question 30 says that change 6,000 meter to kilometer. Okay, A says 6, B says 60, C says 600, D says 6,000, and E says 60,000. So do not forget that 1,000 meter is equal to 1 kilometers. So definitely 6,000 meters. Will give us one. That's 6 kilometers. So definitely our option here is our option A, which is 6. Thank you. Yeah, 31. Question 31 says that calculate the area of the shaded portion in the diagram below. Okay. First of all, don't forget that this is the area of the shaded portion. So we want to calculate it. So first of all, we multiply the first one here, which is 7, the length and the breadth of this rectangle, which is 7 times 10 centimeter, which is that's 70 centimeter. Okay, square. So in this place we have another one, and the area we want to calculate the area together. That's the area together. So which is this one is 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So we have 2 centimeter times 6 centimeter, which is 12 centimeter square. So in this place we want to calculate the area altogether. So to find our answer, we want to find the area of the shaded portion. So in this place, the area of the shaded portion is what? The area of the shaded portion, that's 70 centimeter square minus 12 centimeter square. So by the time we minus it, we have a 58. 70 minus 12 is that 58 centimeter square. So our answer is option, that's option C. That's the final answer. Next question 32 says that if 1 liter, that's this 1 liter of oil weighs 2.0 kilogram. Now say that find the weight of 5 liters in kilogram. Okay, look at it. 1 liter is equal to that 2 kg. That's 2 kilogram. Take note of that. Now say we are looking for 5 liters now. So definitely, therefore, 5 liters will be what as of 5 times what? Times 2. So which is what? Which is 10. Okay, so the weight of 5 liters is what? Is 10 kg. That's 10 kilogram. So our answer here is option B, which is 10 kilogram. Thank you. Question 33 says that solve for x if 3x plus 5 is equal to minus 7. Our option is A equal to 4, B 3, C minus 4 minus 3, D minus 4, and A minus 5. So this is a pure linear equation. So in this place, so we have 3x, take note of that, plus 5 equal to minus 7. Now if you look at this 3s is what? Is one place, and this one is another place. So this is what is separating this equal sign. Okay. So in this place, and this 3s plus 5, they are not what? They are not like 10. They are not like terms. But this plus 5 and minus 7, they are still like 10 because they are numbers without what later. So this is what? This is 3x. So definitely we are going to subtract 5, this plus 5 on both sides. So we are going to subtract it here and in this side here and in this side here. So look at it. We have 3s plus 5 minus 5 equal to minus 7 minus 5, because this plus 5 is crossing this equal sign. So definitely the sign will change to what? Negative. Change to what? Change to minus. So in this place, 5 plus 5 minus 5, we have what? 3x, which that's what is 0. So we have 3x plus 0 equal to 7 minus 7 minus 5 is what? Is minus 12. That's according to sign rule. Take note of that. Minus 7 minus 5. That's still with the plus, but giving minus is negative what? Negative 12. That's minus 12. Now look at this place. 3x plus 0 is what? That's what? 3x equal to minus 12. Now let's take it further. Okay, 3x equal to minus 12. So this 3x is x, this 3x, x, this 3 is a coefficient of x, this x. This 3 is a coefficient of x because they are is a coefficient. So we are to use the coefficient of this x, which is this 3, to divide both sides. So we have 3 here, we have 3 here. Okay, so in this place, 3 divided by 3 here, so we have x equal to minus 12 divided by 3. So minus 12 divided by 3 will give us minus 4. So our answer is x equal to minus 4. So our answer is what? Is D. We can also check by saying that, look at it, 3 brackets, which is our x, which is minus 4, whether it will give us minus 7 plus 5. Yeah, okay. 3 times minus 4 will give us minus 12 plus 5 will give us, that's what? So minus 12 plus 5 will give us, that's what? Minus 7. Or you say 5, this 5, it means, or you say 5 minus 12, definitely still give us what? Minus 7. So our answer is what? Is minus 4. Thank you. Yes. Question 34. Question 34 says that find the LCM of 48 and 60. Okay. So do not forget that your LCM is the full meaning of LCM is lowest common multiple. And if you have to find the LCM, you use your prime number to find your LCM, which is what? Starting from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, and so on. Okay, so we have 48 here, and we have 60. Do not forget that your first prime number is 2. And what is prime number? They can only be divided by what? It can only be divided by itself and 1. So the first prime number can divide both 48 and 60 because they are even number. Okay, so 2 in 48 will give us 24, and 2 in 60 will give us 30. So 2 can still divide both sides. So 2 in 24 is 12, and 2 in 30 will give us 15. 2 can as well divide 12 perfectly without remainder. So 2 in 12 is 6, and 2 in 15 is, let's leave it as 15. Okay, 2 can still divide 6. We have 6 here, and we have, so 2 in 6 is 3, and we have 15. Because 2 cannot divide 15, because it's still going to give us remainder. So let's continue from here, please. So, can 2 divide 3? No. It will give us remainder. Can 2 divide 15? No, it will give us remainder. So 3 is the next prime number that can divide both 15 and 3. So 3 can divide, 3 in 3 give us 1, and 3 in 15 will give us 5. So let me bring it here. We have this 1 and 5 here. So the next prime number is what? Is 5, because 5 is a prime number. So we have 5 here. 5 in 1 give us 1. And 5 divided by 5 equals what? 1. So in this place now, we have So the prime number that can the prime number are what? 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. So now let's multiply everything together. We have our LCM. So we have 2 times 2. Take note of that. Times this 2. Times this 2 again. That's 1 times 2. That's the next prime number times 3. Then the last prime number times 5. Okay, so 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 2 give us 8. 8 times 2 will give us 16. 16 times 3 will give us what? Will give us 48. And 48 times 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Then 5 times 4, 20. Plus 4 will give us 24. So we have 24. So our LCM, take note of that, is 240. So the option here is option B, which is our answer. Thank you. Yes, question 35 says find the value of x. A 5x divided by 8 is 10. Then the option is 14. A is 14, B is 15, and C is 16. B is 17, and A is 18. Okay, so we have 5x here divided by x by 8 equal to 10. Just put divided by 1. Because 10 divided by 1 is 3 times 10. So we have to find our LCM. We can cross multiply, and at the same time we can find our LCM, whatever. But let's find our LCM. So our LCM is what? That's 8 and 1 is what? 8, because 1 is a factor of 8. So we have 8 here. Take note of that. So 8 in 8 is what? Is 1. Then 5 times 1 times 5x will give us, that's this 8 divided by 8 is what? Is 1. Then 1 times 5x will give us, that's 5 what? 5x. That's 5x. Then this, how many 1 can we see in 8? Is 8. Then 8 times 10 will give us, that's 80. Okay, that's 1 in 8 is what? Is 8. 8 times 10 gives us, that's what? 80. So it becomes what? That's 5 equal to 80. So what are we going to do? So we are going to use the coefficient of this 5x to divide both sides. So the coefficient of this 5x is this 5, which is right of 5 here, right of 5 here. That is to divide both sides. So 5 divided by 5, it remains what? X, which is what we are looking for. So in this place, 80 divided by 5, it gives us 16. That's 5 in 8 is 1, remainder 3. So this becomes 30. 5 in 30 is 6. So our answer is what? Is 16. So x is what? Is 16, which is option C. Now question 36 says that what fraction of the diagram is the shaded option? So we have 4 diagram here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so only one is being shaded here, which is what? 1 divided by 4. So our answer is what? Is option A. So this is the only one being shaded there. So the answer is 1 over 4, which is the fraction being shaded there, not 1. So that's our final answer. Yeah, question 37 says that Mr. Eze wants to send $500 to his brother in America. And that's how much will he send if a dollar is equivalent to 780 naira. So from the option there, we have 155,000 naira, 208,000 naira, 390,000, 498,000, and 502,000 naira. So in this place, what do that mean there is that $1 is equivalent to that's 780 naira. So in this place, Mr. Isaac wants to sell $500. So definitely we're going to multiply $500 times 780. So this will sum up the what? The amount Mr. Isaac wants to send to his brother in America. So let's multiply it here. We have $500 here and 780. So in this place, 0 multiplied by 0 give us 0. Divided by this one is 0. So this is 8 times 0 give us 0. 8 times 0 give us 0. Then 8 times 5 will give us 40. Take note of that. So in this place we have 7 times 0 give us that as what? 0. 7 times 0 give us 0. And 7 times 5 give us that as what? 35. So let's add everything together. So in this place we have 0, 0, 0, 5. So in this place 4 plus 5 give us 9, and we have 3. So definitely the total amount Mr. Eze we sent to his brother in America is 300 and that's 3. Sorry, this place is 0 plus 0 give us that's 0. Take note of that. So the total amount Mr. Eze we sent to his brother is 390,000, which is option C. Yes, so that's the answer. Yes, question 38 says that Salako is 16 years old. Now say how old was he 11 years ago? So currently, the current age of Salako, take note of that. The current age is 16 years. 16 years. Now say how old was he 11 years ago? 11 years ago. How old was he 11 years ago? Which is what we are looking for. Okay. So in this place now, we are going to what? Subtract 16 minus 11. So 16 minus 11 will give us that 5. So 11 years ago, Salako is 5 years old. So our answer is option D, which is 5. Yes, question 39 says that find the average of 50, 59, and 70. Our option is A, 50, B, 59, C, 60, D, 71, E, 90. So in this way, we are going to sum the total data here, divided by the numbers of the data, which is the frequency. So we have what? 50 plus 59 plus 71, divided by the numbers of data there, which is what? 3. That's 1, 2, 3. So 50 plus 59 will give us 109. Okay. Then plus 71 will give us that as what? That's 110 plus D, that's 180. That's 180 divided by 3. Take note of that. So divide 3 here, you want 3 in 18 is 6, 3 in 0 is what? Is still 0. So we have 60. So our answer there is what? Is 60, which is option C. Yes, Mr. Porty says that find the mode of the following scores. The following data, we have 2, 6, 3, 5, 5, 1, 7. So the mode is what? Is 5, because 5 is what? Is the most outcome out of the following score there, which is what? Which is option D. So 5 reflects mostly in twice from the following score there. Thank you very much.